In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your phone number on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on the device you're using. The path to settings looks a little different depending on your platform, so here's how to get there. On Android, tap the menu icon in the top left, then choose Settings. On iPhone, look for the Settings tab at the bottom of the screen. And on the desktop app, click the menu icon in the top left and select Settings. Once you're in the right place to dial in your privacy. Next, go to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps the controls for what others can see and how they can reach you. Find the option labeled Phone Number. This section manages both visibility and discoverability, which are related but not the same. Visibility controls who can view your number on your profile. Discoverability controls who can find your account by searching your number. Under the question, Who can see my phone number? Choose Nobody. This ensures your phone number doesn't appear to anyone on Telegram, whether they're in your contacts or not. Telegram still needs your number to run your account, but with this setting, it's private to you. Right below that, look at Who can find me by my number. Here, you'll see options like My Contacts and Nobody. If you select My Contacts, only people you've saved in your phone's address book can find your account by typing in your number. If you choose Nobody, your number won't help anyone find you at all. Pick the level you're comfortable with. If you want maximum privacy, choose Nobody. If you still want friends already in your contacts to find you easily, pick My Contacts. There's no Save button here. Telegram applies these changes immediately. If you ever want to confirm your settings, just come back to this screen and double-check your selections. A few helpful notes to keep in mind. Hiding your phone number doesn't stop people from messaging you if they already have another way to reach you, like your username or a link you've shared. Also, setting Nobody for visibility means your number won't show up even to people you chat with directly. The discoverability setting is separate, so combining Nobody for visibility with either My Contacts or Nobody for discoverability gives you strong control over who can find you. That's all you need to hide your phone number on Telegram while keeping your account easy to use. Take a moment to adjust both settings and you'll be set with a more private